don't want your dope. I don't want that shit. Matter of fact, I want your friend, I'm allowed to switch. I'm really tired of being in the stew, bro, I'm about to quit. Somebody call my A&R now, tell them get me out of here, cause I'm about to flip. Bad bitches in the B&B, I'm okay with that. Niggas hear your song and turn it off, we don't play it back. I'm waiting on my money, why you playing, just pay it back. And no, we not together, why the fuck you keep saying that? 30 Crown Street, bro, I know where you staying at. You shot the wrong person, who the fuck was you aiming at? I'm talking to a label, what's the name, I ain't saying that. A Zeddy feature about $100, who paying that? She gon' take a plan B, cause she don't want to have no baby yet. I'm trying to figure out when I'ma move, I ain't ready yet. You don't